Merry Christmas, Blacksmithing fans. This is Greg Malone coming to you live, well, not really, via YouTube from Des Moines, Iowa. And here is a little video of me starting up my propane forge. Here is the actual burner chamber and the device I use to turn it on with. Before we do that, get our torch going. Set that inside there. I'm doing this one-handed because I need to be able to turn that valve by hand. And you can tell this thing's really noisy, but it's alright. So here we go. We're going to start hammering, having a good time, getting ready for Christmas, making a knife for my nephew, Tyler. And this is where I left off on my knife last time. And I started to swage around the back end of it there. But I think what I'm going to do is draw this thing out. And first thing I'm going to do is put her in and heat her up. Okay, I do not need that much pressure, so I'm going to turn down my pressure by reducing the pressure coming out of my valve there, and you can see the difference in the size of the flame and the intensity of the flame inside my forge. If you're wondering what kind of forge it is a Whisper Mama made by the NC Tool Company. I have all sorts of tools that I have either made or I have purchased, used, or antiques, whatnot. Now this is something interesting because you don't normally see this happening, but when a propane forge runs out of fuel, it starts to kind of puff like that as the tank exhausts itself. So I wanted you to see that so you could see what it looked like. Now the fire's burning up in the tubes, so I'm going to shut her down and switch over the tank. Okay, there we are. We're back up and running again. Got some heat into the forge. Now you might wonder what all them other bars are in there for. Because my water bucket's froze and I need to thaw it out. So I usually stick in half a dozen or more 1-inch bars, and that's how I heat up my water bucket. I thought about putting antifreeze in it, but I just don't want that in the air around me. I don't know what polyethylene glycol will do to you, but I'm not quite wanting to breathing that in. So, try to use a little bit of wisdom and some old-timey ingenuity. The heat's there, it's free. I'm heating up another piece of metal, so I might as well get a bunch of irons in there, and then I'll start putting them into the ice one by one and melting that pot out. Peace out, guys and gals. Okay, here we go. We're going to draw up Tang. you're having a great night. I certainly have enjoyed it. I'm getting tired and I'm getting old. So I'm going to give it up for tonight. But thanks for spending some time with me. Please like, share, and comment on my YouTube channel. I would really like to do that. I'm trying to build up a bunch of followers so that I can get some business things going on the side. If you would like more information about me, you can go to www.malonegreg.com. Check me out. I enjoy life, I enjoy fun, and I enjoy living my life with Jesus Christ as my Lord. I hope you appreciate that, and I know that I certainly appreciate you for watching and taking time out of your busy schedule to spend some time with me. God bless from the Malone Forgotten Arts, in particular Malone Blacksmithing. This is Greg Malone signing off.